The sun is in my eyeballs. I can barely see the video.
Winter is here. We've gone down to -9 last night. Feels like 23.
No, it was -26 this morning with the wind chill. We're making orange and clover soap because it's that time of year. It's sunny here though, and the sun is quite strong here, so it,
Still going to be cold though.
Sunny Canadia, as you would say.
Sunny Canadia, yeah. So this is glycerin soap, eh?
No. Glycerin soap is the stuff you melt down and pour into a mold, and it's ready like an hour later. This is cold process soap.
I thought you said glycerin.
No, I said clove and orange.
Oh.
You have to get more involved with this whole process. I'm going to teach you everything I know, which is not a lot.
Yeah.
So, it is November 27th, Saturday, and once again, we're narrating late. Video is going to be an hour and a half late.
Well, sometimes life gets in the way.
It does. It always gets in the way. So what do you want to talk about today?
Well, we have a list somewhere.
We do have a list. I thought we could talk about a bucket list. What's on your bucket list? Just pick one thing. Oh, that's kale and clay with the orange and clove essential oils going into the batter there. What is one? Just pick the top thing on your bucket list. I think I know what it is. What is it?
I don't know what mine is.
You don't know what you said you wanted to get a small plane and learn to fly.
Yeah, but bucket lists are very wide and expansive, aren't they? That's just one of many things.
Pick one thing. That's what I said.
I'd say what would be on my bucket list, getting that winning lottery ticket. That would solve all problems.
Yes, yeah. Would it though? I don't know. My bucket list? I've never really thought about one. Isn't that weird?
Oh, that looks like you're mixing Guinness there.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it reminds me of the Guinness vats in Ireland when you watch them brewing it.
Are you craving a Guinness now?
Oh, I always crave Guinness, but it just looks like it when they do it in the vats.
I think I do have one thing that I'd like to do is drive out west to Vancouver. Well, Alberta and then Vancouver. Half of my kids are out there. So that would be on my bucket list at some point. I just wish all this COVID nonsense would go away. Don't you?
Yeah, but I think it is what it is, and
it's like starting all over again with the creepy little variants that are coming out. So everybody, please stay safe.
Yeah, stay safe because you don't know what's around the corner, and try and enjoy life to the full. Yeah,
you have to. You have to. Look after yourself. And, my friend Karen showed me this YouTube channel called Body Groove. And it's kind of like exercise, but not really. You're just being silly, dancing all over the place. But the woman, I don't have room to do it. But I totally get it. But the woman gives some talks as well. And they're really deep talks that are great for women. So go check out the channel Body Groove and say thanks to Karen. It's about looking after yourself, getting your femininity back, making yourself feel special. Great channel. Let's pour this into the mold.
No, I know I've not seen any of this. So
no, you haven't. You were busy with your music, I think, for a while when I was making these. I like what would you call it? Just the naked color of soap sometimes.
Yeah.
With a drop of something special in it. So
it's
that's
the
what I'm
one color
doing here.
soap. Yeah.
Well, there's other colors in it, but the base is plain. Tap, 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 tap the bubbles out. So we got a little bit left. What am I doing with that? I don't remember. What did I do here? Did I make... You know what?
You're probably going to...
I think I had some left over and I made some heart-shaped...
Are you going to make
heart-shaped bars in a mold. I hope I show it. I'm going to have to add the... By the way, this soap is ready to go. I just put it on the website. fruitsofaloon.com. And it is ready. It's orange. I did make hearts. Look at that. I'm going to have to add that as an option on the website. Because
and
I forgot.
They're perfect, them. They're nice hand-shaped size to wash your hands with. We've got a few of them already that we're trying out.
I love the heart-shaped soaps. Perfect little swirl in there.
Plenty of volume of soap there as well, so you get quite a bit out of them.
I think they're about 4 ounces.
But they're nice and they just fit nice in your hand.
But I don't think I'm done with that loaf yet. I think I do more to that. Something special this way comes. Here we go. I love doing that.
That's a good effect, actually.
Yeah.
It's different.
But there's more to come yet.
It's called the wing it method. You just wing it.
Yeah, because, you know, it's fun to play with soap.
Anyway, people, how's it going for Christmas? I bet you're all trying to shop, aren't you, before the prices go sky high because of the supply chains.
For those who celebrate Christmas.
Good way to raise prices, isn't it?
Hey, can you bring the Christmas tree in from the porch today?
I don't know, probably. More than likely.
That would be... I'd like to see some sparkly lights very soon.
Probably have to buy a couple of sets. We're keeping the tree bare because of the cats, so we want lights on it.
The tree is pre-loaded with lights, remember?
Yeah, one set don't work.
No, well, yeah, we'll figure it out. So here, oh, look at that. I love doing that. See that?
Oh,
and look at this sparkle mix I made. It's got orange in it, silver, maybe some black, and we're just going to cover that whole section. And half the people watching right now are probably like, ugh, she ruined it with the sparkles. But, I think it looks cute.
Well, sparkles had a nice effect.
Yeah. Men can use sparkles too, for all you men out there. It's not going to hurt you. It's just going to make you feel all festive and stuff.
Yeah, but I suppose in a way they exfoliate your skin.
A little bit of alcohol, so we don't get soda ash. And there we have it. You like?
Well, I haven't seen that made, so that, yeah, I like it. Obviously, I'm maybe biased, but it is what it is, isn't it? You see the soap. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go.
I love that naked color.
And then, oh, look at that.
With a little drop swirl.
Heart within art.
Let's see. Right now I'm showing the Instagram phone camera, but I'll be lifting one up to this camera. Here we go. Cute. I like it.
It's a nice dual combo method in it of the peaks and then the flat with the sparkles on.
Do you know, I did a poll, okay? Do you want to see more low top soaps, high top soaps, or you don't care? And it was so confusing because like half the people were... No, most people were like, I don't care. And then some people were like... A few people were more low top and a few people were more high top. So yeah. I guess I won't really change anything. I'll just do both. And keep doing what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Orange and Clove Essential Oil Soap for this winter. Thanks for watching, guys. There's a Bryce. No,
Have
a Brace.
fun and let us know what's going on in your world. And stay safe, people.
If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button.
There you go.
Notification bell. And we'll see you next Saturday.
See you later. See you later.